warning for Volusia Brevard County light to Sebastian inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles. Volusia Brevard County light to Sebastian nautical miles until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Rockledge, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Merritt Island, Port Canaveral, Jetty Park, Cape Canaveral, and Rockledge. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida out 20 nautical miles, waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Palm Coast, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine Beach, Crescent Beach, Beverly Beach, Butler Beach, Marineland, Big George's Reef, Palm Coast, and St. Augustine. To safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type R life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. Marine.
Why as soon as I sit down? Why?
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne
Fourth
has issued a
activation.
special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Volusia Brevard County, line 0 to 20 nautical miles. Flagler Beach to Volusia Brevard County, line 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Ormond by the Sea to near Daytona Beach shores, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include
Why?
Wilbur by the Sea, Daytona Beach shores, Ormond by the Sea, Harbor Oaks, and Allendale. Move to
Perfect
safe
timing,
harbor
I'm
immediately
done.
as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
SVR for orange. Yes. Here we go. Let's go. Yes. First SVR on the
National Weather
HH.
Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Orange County and east central Florida until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Avalon Park, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
Flood advisory for my county.
Sighting and trees. Locations impacted include Wedgefield, Avalon Park, Christmas, and Buffalo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Oh God.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Yes, I caught it.
storm warning for central Brevard County,
Yes!
central Florida, until 4:15 p.m.
Let's
Eastern
go!
Daylight Time. It's 3:29 p.m.
So let me guess,
Eastern Daylight
Melbourne.
Time.
This is your late birthday present for me.
Moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gust.
If only my 991 and my ER210
indicated.
were actually charged right now.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Melbourne, Rockledge, Cocoa Beach, and Satellite Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloudy ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service